So moving on to our carrots now, and we're going to employ a slightly different method, because if we look at our seedling trays here, they're actually quite a shallow cell, and what carrots absolutely do not like is having their roots disturbed, and that's going to make them grow into a forked shape rather than a nice straight carrot. So traditionally what we do is we would be sowing in the soil, directly in the soil outside, but unless you have an established school garden, you may be better off sowing indoors to start off with at least, and in that case we have two options. So we can either sow in a cardboard loo roll like that, and I'll show you why later, or we can sow in a pot or planter of about 30 centimeters deep. But let's have a look at the loo roll option first. So there's a couple that I've already done, and obviously they've been growing for a while, so it started to rot down a little bit, but you can see that we just have so much extra depth. And the idea is then that once these are ready to plant out, which these are, we can just plant the whole lot. So that's the cardboard sleeve and all. And obviously because it's cardboard, it's going to rot away, and then our carrots can grow on. So all we do is, quite simply, if you can see there, is again fill them with compost. And by pushing it down reasonably firmly there, it's going to hold in anyway, and it's not going to fall out the bottom. So carrots are another small seed, so we can use our card there. And I am just going to sow 3 or 4 seeds only in the top of our row. Doesn't matter where they fall. And then just cover with a light layer of compost. Okay, so then our planter option, we either use a pot or a planter, but the crucial thing is that they would need to be a depth of at least 30 centimeters if you're going to grow a decent length carrot. Now these actually are carrot planter bags. They're pretty good. It's a kind of cool orange planter bag. It has rods in the side here, make it easy to lift, and handy size, really handy size for the classroom, or we could use a pot. As I said, the important thing is that it's 30 centimeters or more. Now I've already filled this pot, so I think we're going to go ahead and we're going to do a pot today. So let's sow some carrot seeds in the top. So we're really just sprinkling them around the surface. You don't have to be that accurate with it. We're aiming, I suppose, at about 1 centimeter between each seed, in and around. But as I've said plenty of times now, we can just thin them out if we have too many. So we're getting a nice covering there around the surface of the compost. And then, as we did before, I'm just adding a thin layer on the top. About 1 centimeter deep is all we need at the absolute maximum. And then firming it down. Okay, so that's about it. I really hope that this video encourages you to give the Incredible Edibles growing module a go. It really is very, very easy. Now, while you'll definitely get 100% success with very, very easy crops like the lettuce or the radish, don't forget that, like I said in the beginning, that the journey is just as important as the destination. So if anything else doesn't go quite according to plan, it doesn't really matter. So I'd like to thank you so much for watching this video and wish you the best of success with the Incredible Edibles Schools project.